and welcome to this episode of Sunny Driver. Last time we were out here with Zach, we were getting his Lexus IS300 prepped for a track day, and unfortunately the Lexus is no longer with us, but this car is. It's like, what have you done? What is this?
I bought a rental car. I bought a V6 Mustang. Okay.
Tell me why you got rid of your beautifully prepared drift car and bought a rental car.
So I daily drive my cars a lot. So the Lexus was getting a little rough as a daily. It was really loud. It wasn't that comfortable. It was getting kind of old. And
yes.
So I bought, and it was kind of slow. So, and that's not good for keeping up with fast cars when you want to do a skid with them.
So you needed more horsepower.
I needed a lot more horsepower. So I went about 100 more horsepower and like 10 years newer with this car.
Yes.
My American 350Z.
Yes, so tell me about this idea, Zach. You've been trying to sell me on this for a long time.
I have been, since these cars came out.
That this is the American 350Z.
So, 3.7 liter Cyclone Mustang, they call it.
It sounds cooler when you say it that way.
Yeah, see, they have little badges, so maybe I might do that. But yeah, so it's basically a 370Z engine, just detuned. But they have the little like plug-in tuner, and you can like tune it up. They get like 300 horse with just like an exhaust.
You can get more power out of it just with the tune?
Just with the tuner, just like in a more aggressive like 91 octane tune or something like that.
Oh, heck yeah.
But yeah, I mean, it's really responsive. It's basically just like they took the Coyote and they're like, ah, and they just shrunk it down.
Was it based off the same motor?
I don't think so, but yeah, they didn't actually use this on a lot of engines for Ford. They only used it like in this car and then like a Lincoln too.
Yeah, I mean, they only had it a couple of years because they ran it in here, and then they're like, well, let's just put a turbo 4-cylinder in instead.
Yeah, I mean, the turbo 4 banger is better, but V6 still good. This is in my price range, so.
So here we are, Zach.
So yeah, I mean, it's gonna get coils and wheel. It's
yes. Tell me
treatment.
what is the plan? What do you want for this beautiful ride?
I want it to be a daily drifter, so I want it to be comfy, reliable, AC, but I also want it to be low. I want it to have wheels, and I want it to do a good skid, which it kind of does already.
That's just your Lexus.
Yeah, but faster and gets better mileage.
Okay, all right, that's fair.
Same mileage as a Miata.
What?
Yeah.
As a Miata?
As a second-gen Miata.
Dude, my Miata gets 30 mpg.
On the freeway?
Combined.
Oh, it's 20-something combined. But I make 3 times the horsepower as you, basically.
Yeah, but I'm lighter, so
well,
we should race.
Oh yeah, we should race. It would be a good race. So this one's kind of a piece of shit. When I bought
Walk me through the good, the bad, the ugly.
The good is the engine runs nice. It sounds like they took care of it. They put the good right gas in it. It did oil changes regularly. So the bad, it's got really ugly wheels on it.
What? I've never even seen these before.
These are not stock. These are the
Elbrus. My
Elbros. Shout out to all my Elbros. It's been hit there, scraped along the back. So she's a little rough. She smelled. We called it the Pupstang when we first got it because it smelled really bad.
Wait, like poop?
Kind of poopy, kind of dirty, kind of smoky, kind of just like human grime smell. It was just nasty. It smells better-ish now.
It smelled fine when I got in. So I think you're in the clear.
Oh, you're good.
But yeah,
you're chilling. Yeah, it's a good base to start. So I think next couple vids would be hopefully mod vids of this thing.
Coming soon to a racetrack near you. Very sideways. All right, man. Dude!
Oh,
it says Puff.
Oh, I didn't notice that. Now I have to keep it.
Now you have to call it Pupstang.
Pupstang?
Yeah.
I kind of like Pupstang. Did you see my horsepower? This came with the car. Mustang horsepower. Yeah, she's just stock.
Oh wait, Oh, it's a 1964.
Yeah, I don't know why it has that sticker. I don't know if that was...
That's for the year, dude.
Oh.
See?
Oh, so they lied to me. I thought it was a 2012.
No, it's 64.
Oh. No wonder it's so...
I dig it though.
Yeah, I think it's not bad. It's a good... I think it's a good chassis to build on.
Yeah, I think you just need supercharger, nitrous, E85,
and
meth injection.
Twin charge. I want a turbo too.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yes, good.
Yeah.
Good. And then maybe after all that, we can get you close to the power of the 5.0.
I'm not trying to beat a 5.0. It's not a 5.0. That's what everyone always gets so grumpy. They're like, why don't you get the V8? I'm like, well, it's like twice the price of this car.
True.
It's not twice the car. It's only out of the like stock. The 5.0 is like 300 something horse.
Yeah.
This thing's like high 200s. Like they're not really that far apart out of the box.
True.
I mean, the 5.0 you could like make 1,000 horsepower.
This is also true.
Yeah. So I mean, but that's not what we're about. We're ballers on a budget.
And you are balling on a budget, Zach.
Well, working on it. I'm on a budget, and I'm bald.
And you're ball?
Oh, we didn't look at the interior.
Oh yes, please.
Now that I cleaned it, it looks pretty nice.
Can you run me through, so we just have the classic Mustang look, but we have...
A touch of JDM. That car, that shift knob has lived for like 3 or 4 different cars. I think
I know.
I kind of need to like it's a keeper now.
It's been adding the JDM vibe since 2016.
1.5.
Oh, 15,
Yeah.
wow. That's an heirloom at this point.
It is. It's a family relic. Oh, the back seats fold down in this too, so it's kind of more practical than the Lexus.
Fold down where?
Like forward, so you can put like a bike in there or something.
Oh, okay.
I can fit I have a 29-inch mountain bike. I can fit in here.
Oh, how come they?
Oh yeah.
I dig it, dude.
Thanks, man. Should be fun. Hopefully we'll do some in it soon.
Sounds like a plan.
Yeah.
That's it for today. See you next time.